There are many options which users can use to delete components in the flowsheet. The succeeding slides will guide users on how these options can be performed. First, let's see the keyboard method deletion. Component or components can be deleted by individual or multi-selection and pressing the Ctrl and Delete key sequentially. Following that, let's explore the mouse method deletion. When a component or components had been selected, the right mouse click will engage a flyby where a delete button can be used. Finally, let's discuss the Edit Toolbar method. An alternative to the first two methods, delete or cut buttons on the Edit tab can also be used to remove components. In the next session, we will delve into creating and implementing templates in FluidFlow.